Hey guys, welcome back. I just went to bed at 4 a.m. yesterday. I worked on some things concerning streamlining the authentication because I wasn't really a fan of what I did. It was laggy and it wasn't clean, I think. May have some security breaches, so I just did it all over again. I put links in the description of the old video so you can see which resources I used and maybe do the same if you want to. I think like the path of finding the perfect tutorials and tools is a very intensive but interesting adventure, and so we're gonna continue it today. Hey, welcome back. I've been working all day on the React state and how I should handle Firestore data. I wanted to have something that was mutualized, so that means that everything is accessible from any component from anywhere in like a Redux, Jotai or Zuston state. And it's not working as expected. I'm not very good at handling states, and Copilot isn't able to help me there. Like 31 time out of 2, it is giving me JavaScript code when I'm clearly working in TypeScript, and I really want to work in TypeScript because I don't know really well TypeScript and I want to learn it, so that's a good thing to do, but it's not able to recognize it. So yeah, I have another error. It's been like all day like that. Pretty sure it's very easy to fix, but I'm not familiar with it, so it's hard for me. But it's okay. I will pass through that, and if I cannot make a state work, I'll just switch to having the two requests Firebase in the components by themselves. It's not very good practice, but it will work for the moment. Yeah, I got a little porto drink. I don't drink a lot of alcohol. I don't like to be wasted and all. I don't like to be drunk. But when I'm working, it's often that I'm just getting a glass of something like a gin or porto to complement my work. I think I find it best to work like that. Like it's getting my head off the work I'm actually doing, thinking about something else, thinking about something that is tasty and sugary, and getting back to work just after that. Still watching Franklin, by the way. It finally decided to work. It's splendid. I've spent my whole day on working on this. You'll see it's not that much, proving that development, full stack development, isn't easy at all. So let me show you. I have here the file store opened. So this is my database with collections and things. Things holds every item the person's added, like every person added, and collections hold every collections the person has, and collections is linked to things because thing has a collection UID. So that's how I get it. And I have a quick request that that's going to find the only thing that is pending with the associated parameters and showing it here, because the logic behind this, the logic is the following. So people authenticate. If it's the first time, we create a default section, collection, and a default thing that they can edit. This is done via Cloud Functions, and it was very easy to do, actually. And so they land on the pending thing we just created in the default collection. So they write everything. Because they write, we can like update what's on the server. So it's kind of like a draft. So they don't lose their data if they begin to work on something. And it's easy also because when we upload images, we will this will be an asynchronous process. So we will upload on a bucket, get back the metadata and URL and all. And because of that, we will need an object already created to add the metadata to. So that was also because of that I did this thing like that, and it works. So I wanted to show you. Here you have, if I can show it to you, here is where it's gonna show. If I'm adding the name field, so I should say hello YouTube. Okay, I add it here, and poof, it just appeared here. And if I remove the field, it just disappears. That's magic. So you've seen me at La Défense working on some things, was that and all. Finally, I stumbled across Zistend. That is a very simple state management platform plugin for React and all. So I used Zistend for what I wanted to do. What was very hard at the beginning is that I was asking too much to Copilot, and I had to break down the instructions. So it made simple things like create the store, create the types, create the store that holds the types, create the way we interact with the types, with what's in the store, and after that create a hook that we can consume to fill the store. But like the store is very, very simple. It just holds elements of certain kind, and that's all. And we get things inside it just by calling the hook. That's what I did here. It's working. I'm not saying it's perfect because I'm not a pro developer, but it will be enough for today. And I'll just get back to work and sleep more than last last night. It's already midnight and 30 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.